Okay, let's start. So, yung taga-check ng attendance natin. Okay, let's start. So, let's talk about the introduction to research. Okay, for today's agenda, we will discuss the general concepts of research. What is research? What is knowledge, theory, science and technology, and research and development? And why study research? Okay, so what is research? Inyo ay very good. So ayan, para pagsamasamahin natin yung sagot nyo, so pahabain natin yung definition ng research para nandito na lahat. Okay, research is a systematic and exhaustive inquiry, investigation, or experimentation with the aim of finding new facts or knowledge and explaining the problems associated with our day-to-day relation with our environments, mapa-social man yan, natural, political, economics, physical, or kahit personal matters yan, to come up with working solution in facing them. So from the word systematic, so it means it has a step-by-step procedure. So hindi tayo basta-basta makakagawa ng research na pag nagtanong kayo, then may isang taong nagbigay agad sa inyo ng answer, is matatawag na yung research. No. So inquiry lang yung ganong bagay. So kailangan dito ng research process or a process of steps used to collect and analyze information to increase our understanding of a certain topic or issue. When we say exhaustive inquiry, if you describe a study, search, or list as exhaustive, you mean that it is very thorough and complete information man yan or knowledge. So research is defined as sabi kasi investigation as the scientific investigation of phenomena. So, di ba, ang ginagawa natin sa research includes collections, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of facts that lines an individual's speculation with reality. So, sabi din dito, to come up with working solution in facing them. So, solutions to problem, syempre, must be based on knowledge or facts, not on mere beliefs, guesses, or theory. So, dapat yung mga evidence natin dito is facts and hindi siya fake news, lalo na if magka-come up tayo ng solution dun sa problem. So, in research kasi, a systematic and well procedure is required to meet the need in order that information is acquired and evaluate its accuracy and effectiveness. So, hindi lang tayo basta-basta nagka-come up din ng solution based sa feelings natin or opinion as a researcher. Siyempre, tinitignan din natin yung kung sino yung magbe-benefits, di ba? Kung sino-sino yung magbe-benefits dun sa solution na makakome up nyo. Kahit di ba tayo, pag nagbibigay tayo ng solution sa sarili nating problem, personal matters for example, di ba? Kinukonsider natin yung iisipin or sasabihin ng family natin, kung magbe-benefits ba sila doon, or kahit yung friends natin or classmates, bago tayo mag-come up sa solution dun sa specific issue na yon or sa problem na yon. Okay, next, what are theories and knowledge? Logical relationships among problems, experiences, and reasons are established and arranged systematically through a series of human interaction with their social, natural, physical, economics, environments, etc. This leads to theories. Therefore, theories are product of research. Theories are used to solve environmental phenomena and their associated problems. They can be recycled, which may lead to the formation of new ones in favor of the existing ones. So the word theory most simply means explanation. Na meron, ine-explain siya na merong evidence or galing siya sa nag-gather na information na facts. Hindi lang siya basta-basta. So, right information bago ka mag-explain. So, yung mga theories kasi, pwede yan ma-reject. Sabi nga, they can be recycled. So, pwede nyo i-develop or pwede nyo rin ma-prove yung mga theories na yon. So, give me an example of theory. Sa biology, meron din tayong theory of evolution, yung pinakasikat, yung germ theory of disease. Sa chemistry din, nandyan din yung kinetic theory of gases. So, bukod sa theory of relativity, sa physics, meron din quantum field theory and so on. So, yung mga theories na yon is based siya sa facts or evidence, kaya nabuo yung explanation na yon about sa specific theories na yon, na pwede yun ma-reject or pwede rin naman i-prove nyo or pwede rin ma-develop. So, dahil sa mga theories na yon or theories na yon, diba, na-explain natin yung certain things na nangyayari sa paligid natin. So, theories explain how and why something operates as it does. They made up of concepts and principles for ease of understanding them. So, di ba, best example, kung natatandaan nyo yung atomic theory, di ba, ni-reject, na-develop, minodify, and so on, di ba? From Democritus, Aristotle, Dalton, and so on, hanggang naging quantum theory na siya. Okay, when theories are compiled, related to or impact with other theories, they form the human knowledge or body of knowledge. So, yung tinatawag natin, knowledge is a central product of research, be it academic, formal, indigenous, local, or practical. So, knowledge, there are two types of knowledge. Ayan nga, universal and traditional. When we say universal, also known as Western or formal knowledge, are those that are taught in school and found written in books, journals, and scientific magazine. So, universal knowledge is what which is known to be true everywhere in the universe. Kaya tinawag na siya na universal and all of the time. So, ang best example nito na hanggang ngayon is nakatatak or masasabi nating knowledge is yung learning the alphabet, learning the numbers, di ba? Yun yung pinaka best example na hanggang ngayon hindi siya nawawala. Kasi may mga knowledge na nai-stock or nag-i-stay, then may mga knowledge din naman na nakakalimutan natin. So, sa universal din is universal knowledge, ito yung mga nakukuha nating information na nilalagay natin sa RRF. So, yung mga research study, pasok yan sa universal, lalo na if na-publish yung research na yon. So, next is traditional, also known as local, indigenous, folk, rural, or traditional knowledges are socio-culturally, geographically, and politically multi-sited. So, traditional knowledge includes types of knowledge about traditional technology. So, example nito, di ba, yung mga tools or technique na nag-start sa mga traditional, di ba? Yung pag-hunt dati, pana or sibak lang yung ginagamit. So, habang tumatagal, because of knowledge na yan, nade-develop ng science. Pag binuo yan. Binuo, then in-apply. So, magkakaroon ng outcome. So, nagkakaroon ng development. Another example is yung mga traditional medicine or yung mga tinatawag natin ngayon na herbal medicine. So, mga traditional knowledge yun kung saan ngayon is nade-develop na sa pamagitan ng research, di ba? Merong specific plan na nakakagamot pala ng ganitong sakit, cancer, and so on. Kung ano man yung illness na yon. Okay, knowledge is a product of research through a process of logical reasoning or rationalism. So, involved dito yung critical thinking. So, it can be done in two ways. Ayan yung deductive and inductive reasoning. When we say deductive, the process of drawing a specific conclusion from a set of premises. So, it means general to specific. While inductive reasoning from the particular to general or specific to general. So, ito yung ginagamit natin sa reasoning pagdating ng, actually kahit saan naman, pero mas ginagamit natin to or pinapagamit ko sa inyo to sa significance of the study. Diba? Pwedeng deductive, pwede rin inductive. Pag ginamit nyo yung deductive, so general muna, pangkalahatan ng benefits ng study nyo, then yung specific, sino-sino yung magbe-benefits. Farmers, teachers, students, and so on. So, yun yung best example na. Okay, next. What is science and technology? So, when we say science, a body of organized knowledge that we use in explaining our day-to-day relations with our environments and the problems associated with them. So, science also known, know why. Kasi in-explain niya. So, organized knowledge. So, sabi natin kanina, knowledge is a central product of research. While science, body of organized knowledge. So, pwede natin masabi na product of research din si science. So, knowledge, body of organized knowledge, pinagsama-sama nyo. So, it means science is a product of research. Technology, organized body of knowledge that are put into useful object, processes, or outcomes. So, when the organized bodies of knowledge, or yung sinasabi nating science, so, are put into useful object, processes, and or outcomes, then technology becomes an output of research. Ulitin ko, science is a product of research or yung know why, then si technology, know-how, is the outcome of research. So si organized knowledge or si science is ginamit nyo or in-apply nyo para makabuo kayo ng product, so technology yun. So for example, nung ginawa nyong research nung grade 9 kayo, so yung knowledge na nakuha nyo, body or organized knowledge, is universal. So pinagsama-sama nyo yun, in-apply nyo para makabuo kayo ng useful object or yung product nyo. So technology na yung outcome na nagawa nyo. So because of science and technology, we have present development. So dahil ina-apply natin ng yung knowledge natin, so nagkakaroon tayo ng development. Best example, yung mga new instrument, di ba? Yung mga new instrument na habang tumatagal, mas nagiging modern tayo. Lalo na pagdating sa mga gadget. Okay, research and development. If research is the continuous search for knowledge, which are put together into important object and process, which is yung technology, then the act of putting them together to improve human lives and his environments refer to development. So, science plus technology is equal to research. Ayan. Then, pag dinevelop nyo pa or in-apply nyo siya sa kung paano siya gamitin, so nagkakaroon tayo ng development. So, for example, yung research nyo ng grade 9, kaya sinasabi ko, pwede nyong i-continue yung research nyo ng grade 9. So, may product na kayo, then pwede nyo siyang i-survey na gagamitin na siya ng mga respondents nyo. Pwede rin naman na i-modify nyo yung ginawa nyong research. Okay, development na yun. O i-apply na yung product na nagawa nyo. So, development na yung tawag natin. Okay, next is why study research. Number 1, to become research literate. Syempre, di ba, para maging literate tayo or about research. Di ba? Research is asking what you know and think. Kasi kung kayo is curious, di ba, gusto nyong malaman yung right information, syempre, you do research. So, dahil literate na kayo sa research, alam nyo na kung paano mag-search ng legit and facts na information. It helps us to inquire on the right information. Then, dahil din sa research, nade-develop yung attitude natin to not believe everything easily. Lalo na yung nababasa natin sa social media man yan or naririnig natin sa news. So, naghahanap tayo or we seek for truth. Okay. Research, dahil din sa research, research sharpens our mind to give a wise vision to look. Okay, next is to develop critical thinking. So, research explains why things happen in a certain way. So, tulad ng mga theories kanina na nabanggit nyo, di ba? Na-explain natin kung ano yung nangyayari surroundings or sa paligid natin. Because do sa mga knowledge na yon or sa theories na nabasa natin. So, meron din naman ng mga psychological facts or lalo na yung mga study about human behaviors. Di ba? Na-explain natin kung bakit ganito yung behavior ng isang tao o kahit ikaw, ano yung behavior na meron ka. So, hindi mo ma-explain. So, pwedeng basahin mo yun sa mga psychological facts na dumaan sa research. So, magkakaroon kayo ng idea or idea about doon. O ano yung mga reasons nun. Or paano nyo malilesen yun. Diba? So, through this, we get to understand different situation in our lives and help identify the factors that hinder or facilitate why certain things fails. Then next, to generate knowledge. So, 'di ba, bukod makakapag-generate tayo ng knowledge, nasa-satisfy tayo yung curiosity natin. Masasatisfy tayo doon. So, masasagot yung mga tanong sa isip natin pag ginawa natin yun ng research. Then, research empowers us with knowledge and discovers new things and issues in life. It helps us solve problems, lalo na ngayon, di ba? Lalo na yung health, ayan, crime, business, technology, or environment, or kahit personal matters. Then last is to come up with solutions to a certain problem. So it helps us solve our problems. It provides us relevant data in order to determine why people are against a certain program, a certain issue, or certain events. Lalo na ngayon na napakadaming issue tayong nababasa. Dahil malapit na, for example, dahil malapit na yung election, di ba? Napakadaming issue natin ngayon na nababasa or naririnig or kahit about pandemic, di ba? So, bago tayo mag-comment sa mga nababasa natin, so, do research muna about dun sa certain program na yun or sa certain issue na yun. Para bago tayo mag-comment, alam na natin kung about saan yung issue na yun. Then, dapat facts lagi, yung information din na ibibigay nyo. So, imbes na physical appearance yung kokomentan nyo, about doon sa certain program or issue. So, kung kayang mag-suggest or mag-recommend ng solution, mas maganda. So, nag-post na nun, for example, kung tatanggapin niya yung suggestion and recommendation. Basta iwasan natin na dahil against kayo is yung physical appearance yung kokomentan nyo. So, iwasan natin yun. Okay, may question ba? Okay, kung wala ng question yung iba, pwede nang mag-leave. Okay, goodbye class. Keep safe. See you next Friday.